Assalamualaikum and hello guys. In this video, we will still learn about subtopic 2.3 cubic equation. So, let's continue our example from the last video. 2.3b solve cubic equation by using long division when one root or one factor or one zero is given. Example 3. Solve 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x equal to 0 given one of the root is x equal to 2. Since given in the question x equal to 2 is our root, so that means x minus 2 is our factor. So, since we want to solve cubic equation, we can use long division. So, to use long division, first we need to write our cubic equation, which is 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x. And then, our factor, we need to write here, x minus 2 as our divisor. And then, to proceed with our long division, we need to consider x and 2x cubed. X times y to get 2x cubed. So, x we times with 2x squared. 2x squared times x, 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 2 minus 4 x squared, and then we need to minus this. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed 0, negative 2x squared minus negative 4x squared, minus minus positive, so negative 2 plus 4 positive 2 x squared, and then we need to bring down this negative 4x. Next, consider 2x squared and x. So, x times positive 2x. 2x times x, we will get 2x squared. 2x times negative 2, negative 4x. Again, we need to minus. 2x squared minus 2x squared, 0. Negative 4x minus negative 4x, negative negative positive, so negative 4x plus 4x, done, 0. Okay, after we did our long division, we need to write like this. First, our equation is 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x equal to 0, and then we factorize. Our factor is x minus 2. And then, our value here, we need to write here. So, 2x squared plus 2x equal to 0. And then, again, 2x squared plus 2x, we can factorize again. So, x minus 2. And then 2x squared plus 2x, we can factorize 2 and x. So 2x. So 2x squared factorize 2x, x plus 2x factorize. So tinggal 1. So that means now we have x minus 2, 2x, x plus 1 equal to 0. And then make x as a subject. So, x minus 2 equal to 0, 2x equal to 0, and lastly, x plus 1 equal to 0. That means, our x is 2, x equal to 0 divided by 2, 0, and x equal to negative 1. So, this is our final answer. Next, example 4. Given the cubic equation Sx equal to 12x cubed plus 4x squared minus 13x plus 2m minus 1. A. Find the value of m if Sx can be exactly divided by 3x plus 4. So for this question, actually we want to find the value of m. Okay, kita nak cari nilai m. Okay, when Sx can be exactly divided by 3x plus 4. Okay, what is the meaning of exactly divided? Okay, exactly divided, boleh dibahagikan sepenuhnya. Good. Now, okay. Jadi, bila Sx we divide with 3x plus 4, dia akan jadi exactly divided. That means, bila Sx kita bahagikan dengan 3x plus 4, maksudnya kita dapat bahagi habis. Okay, bila dapat bahagi habis, maksudnya kita punya baki tu kosong lah. Okay, our remainder is 0. So, bila kita bahagi remainder kita 0, okay, that means 3x plus 4 actually our factor. Sebab bila kita bahagikan dengan factor sahaja, remainder kita akan 0. So, exactly divided, that means our remainder is 0. Baki kosong. For this question, we want to find the value of m. Kita nak cari berapa nilai m when Sx is exactly divided by 3x plus 4. Actually, there's many methods that we can use to solve this question. But for now, I will show you only one method, which is by using long division. So, to use long division, first we need to know the divisor, dia punya pembahagi. As I told you just now, 3x plus 4 is our factor because exactly divided. Okay, so 3x plus 4 is our factor. That means this is our divisor. So to use long division, here we need to write our cubic equation, which is 12x cubed plus 4x squared minus 13x plus 2m minus 1. And then here we put our divisor, which is 3x plus 4. Okay, so we can start our long division. First, we need to consider 12x cubed. Okay, our divisor is 3x. So 3x times y, we can get 12x cubed. So 3x kita boleh multiply with 4 because 4 multiplied by 3, 12. And then x, kita nak jadikan x cubed, kita darab dengan x squared. So 4 times 3, 12. X squared times x, x cubed. And then 4x squared times 4. 4 times 4 plus 16 x squared. And then we need to minus 12x cubed minus 12x cubed, 0. 4x squared minus 16x squared. So minus and plus, so minus. So 4 minus 16, 4 tolak 16, minus 12x squared. And then this one kita buat turun, negative 13x. Next, we have negative 12x squared. Our divisor is 3x. So 3x times berapa? Dapat negative 12x squared. So 3 we can multiply with negative 4. So negative 4 times 3, negative 12. But kita yang bawah ni ada x squared, yang ni x. That's why kita kena kat sini adalah negative 4x. Because negative 4x bila kita darab dengan 3x, dia akan jadi negative 12x squared. negative 4x darab dengan 4 minus 16x. And then again we need to minus negative 12x squared minus negative 12x squared. Negative plus, so negative 12 plus 12 habislah 0. And then negative 13x minus negative 16x. Negative plus, so negative 13 plus 16. Negative 13 tambah 16. So tinggal 3x. Next kita buat turun yang ni. So plus 2m minus 1. Okay, this one quite tricky because kita tak nampak kan nak darab dengan apa. Tak apa. This one 3x. This one 3x. So 3x times y to get 3x. Of course kita akan times dengan 1. So 1 times 3x, kita akan dapat 3x. 1 times 4 plus 4. Okay, so now again we need to minus 3x minus 3x 0. 2m minus 1. So tulis je lah 2m. For me I will expand siap-siap. So up to you. So 2m minus 1, so jadi 2m minus 2. Okay, minus positive 4, so minus 4. Boleh tak kita terus sambung lagi dia punya bahagi? Okay, boleh tak bahagi lagi dengan 3x plus 4 ni? We have 2m minus 2 minus 4. Okay, tak boleh. Why? Because 2m minus 2 minus 4 ni, okay, dah tak ada x. So that means this is our remainder. Okay, in Malay, baki. Okay, so dah tak boleh nak proceed dah. Okay, sebab dah tak ada x. So kita boleh conclude ini kita punya remainder lah. Okay, just now in question said that exactly divided. Maksudnya bila exactly divided, kita dah bahagi habis. Bila dah bahagi habis, our remainder should be equal to 0. Okay, bila dah bahagi habis, tak ada dah lah baki. Baki dia akan jadi kosong lah. Jadi bila baki dia kosong, kita boleh anggap kita punya remainder ni sama dengan kosong. Jadi daripada situ kita boleh ambil 2m minus 2 minus 4. Kita punya baki, our remainder is actually equal to 0. So simplify 2m, negative 2 minus 4, negative 6 equal to 0. Make m as a subject, so 2m equal to 6, m equal to 3. So that's why we will get our m is equal to 3. So this is one of the method. Okay, satu method je saya tunjuk. Okay, you can try another method. For example, you can use compare coefficient. Method yang sama kita akan guna dekat example 5 after this. Okay, so you can discover the other method, but for me I will show you only one method, which is by using long division. Now proceed with example 4b. Factorize sx completely, hence solve sx equal to 0. Just now we have sx equal to 12x cubed plus 4x squared minus 13x plus 2m minus 1. From part A, we already know the value of m is 3. So 3, we need to substitute into m. That's why we will get 12x cubed plus 4x squared minus 13x plus 3. Actually m is 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. So this is our Sx. The question asks, factorize Sx completely. So, we need to factorize this Sx. From part A, we can use this long division to factorize our Sx. So, we can write like this. So, we have factor 3x plus 4 as our divisor. So, we can write 3x plus 4, okay, bracket, and then we can use this quotient, 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Write it here, 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. So, this blue one, we already factorize our Sx in factor form. Walaupun kita dah factorize yang biru ni, tapi sebenarnya soalan dia nak factorize completely. So, yang biru ni, walaupun kita dah factorize, tapi belum complete lagi. So, how to factorize completely? 3x plus 4, we just write like this. But, this 4x squared minus 4x plus 1, we can use our calculator to factorize, because this is quadratic expression. So, quadratic expression 4x squared minus 4x plus 1, use our calculator, we will get 2x minus 1. But, quadratic, in our calculator, given that x is equal to 1 over 2, the value of x for quadratic equation should be 2. Okay, the root ada untuk quadratic dia mesti 2. So, bila calculator cakap ada satu je root 1 over 2, that means 2x minus 1 ni sebenarnya ada 2. So, kena letak square. Okay, barulah dia quadratic. Okay, so from 4x squared minus 4x plus 1, actually we can factorize into 2x minus 1 squared. So, done for the first part, factorize Sx completely. And then, we need to solve for Sx equal to 0. We already have Sx, so just write 3x plus 4, 2x minus 1 squared equal to 0. Solve. When we want to solve, we need to find the value of x. So, solve lah. So, 3x plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Make x as a subject, so x equal to negative 4 over 3 and x equal to 1 over 2. So, this is our final answer. Our value of x is x equal to negative 4 over 3 and x equal to 1 over 2. Example 5. Given that x minus 2 is a factor of fx equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 13x plus 6. A. Show that fx have another 2 real root. Okay, one of the way to solve this question is, since we have 2x cubed plus x squared minus 13x plus 6, and given one of the factor is x minus 2, so we can use method compare coefficient. So, since we have one factor, which is x minus 2, we can write like this. Since we have one factor, x minus 2, supposedly, we should have cubic equation. So, what we need to do is, we can assume, here we have quadratic. Ax squared plus bx plus c, where we still don't know the value of a, b and c. Why we assume quadratic here? Because when we multiply this quadratic expression with x minus 2, let's say x times ax squared, actually we will get cubic expression. So we can use method compare coefficient after this. Before we can compare our coefficient, we need to expand this expression. So x times ax squared, we will get ax cubed. X times bx plus bx squared. X times c plus cx. Negative 2 times ax, negative 2ax squared. Negative 2 times bx, negative 2bx. And lastly, negative 2 times c, negative 2c. Okay. Now, actually the right hand side yang belah kanan ni, ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx minus 2ax squared minus 2bx minus 2c, actually it is the same with the left hand side, which is 2x cubed plus x squared minus 13x plus 6. So by comparing coefficient, okay, first we need to compare x cubed. So for the left hand side, our coefficient for x cubed is 2. So here we have 2 equal to the right hand side, x cubed here. So our coefficient is a. So that's why we will get a equal to 2. Next, we compare x squared. Okay. For the left hand side, our x squared here. So the coefficient is 1. So 1 equal to x squared here and here. So our coefficient is b minus 2a. So b minus 2a. Since we already have a equal to 2, that means we can substitute b minus 2a. A is 2. So 1 plus 4 equal to b. That means b equal to 5. So now we already have value of b. And then we have two choice. We can compare coefficient for x, or we can compare constant. Both okay, no problem. But for me, I want to compare constant. So constant for the left hand side we have 6. For the right hand side, constant yang tak ada x, okay, yang nombor sahaja. So yang tak ada x, negative 2c. So 6 equal to negative 2c. Make c as a subject, so c divided by negative 2, so c equal to negative 3. So now we already have the value of a, b and c. Our equation will be like this: 2x cubed plus x squared minus 13x plus c actually equal to x minus 2. Just now we have ax squared plus bx plus c, so just substitute. Our a is 2, so 2x squared plus b is 5, so 5x plus c. Our c is negative 3, so minus 3. Okay. So now this is our equation. So we already have a, b, c. Okay. But the question asks, show that fx have another 2 real root. So our another factor is this one. So another factor is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Now we want to show whether this factor have two real root. Since this is quadratic, so we can use method two real root. So we can show with using discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. Okay, since we already have our b is 5, so 5 squared minus 4, a is 2, c is negative 3. Using our calculator, we will get 49. So 49 is greater than 0. So the conclusion is, since b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, so we can conclude that fx have another two real root. Okay, so from here until here. Now proceed example 5b. Hence, factorize completely. Since we have fx equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 13x plus 6. And then just now we factorize x minus 2. We will get the another factor is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So this one, if we use our calculator, we will get x minus 2, 2x minus 1, and another one is x plus 3, because our question is factorize completely. So we need to write our answer like this. Yay! We have finished chapter 2, equation. Please check again if you have any problem with the concept that we have learned. Sorry for my broken English. I've tried my best, but haha. Don't forget to do the exercise in the tutorial book. See you again in the next video. Adios.